What's going on, guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital. We're here with Setti Coscarella, CEO of TAAT Lifestyle and Wellness. Nice to have you back, Setti. How are you doing?
Awesome, Aaron. Thanks for having me. Always a pleasure.
Yeah, for sure. So, start by giving our viewers an update on the company and everything you've been up to since we last spoke.
All right. Well, I mean, a lot of developments. Obviously, we came up with our quarter yesterday. I think we performed extraordinarily well for the past 3 months. We showed revenue increase quarter over quarter of in excess of 300%. So I think that really helps establish a good foundation for us for growth. And again, if you kind of take a look at it in the context of the marketplace, we still got a huge road ahead of us and way more in front of us than we've got behind us. So it's still very early days. And I think that, we'll be able to capitalize on this momentum as we move forward. We were also able to sign some really interesting partnership deals, one with PBR. And again, I always thought a cowboy did pretty good selling cigarettes, so we sponsored a whole army of them. I think that'll go over well. Also, we did a great partnership with Floyd Mayweather for his fight against Logan Paul. And on the back of that, we started getting contacted by a lot of premium sports properties, athletes, celebrities. So I think it really helped open the door, especially for a young brand like us, to at least be in the running to have conversations with the caliber of potential partners that we have. I think is tremendous. We've started building out a really great team down in Vegas. Start building that infrastructure for expansion. And we also were able to sign a deal in Georgia. So we started commercializing there as well. We've also got some stores starting to come online in Illinois. So I think the future is really bright for us. And on top of that, so as we sort of start pursuing, more aggressive expansion throughout the U.S., we also landed our first international deal in the UK and Ireland. And I think that we're going to really try to leverage that as a toehold position to start expanding throughout Europe. And that's happening at a way faster pace than I would have thought. But that I think really is a testament to the fan base that we've built and the demand that's starting to be created for this product. So again, I think that we've done an extraordinary job in a very short period of time. And now it's just an exercise in trying to capitalize on a lot of the momentum that we've been able to build.
Yeah, and it's been awesome seeing TAAT grow, covering it from day one. So, it's been a pleasure, and hopefully we can continue to make more videos. So now let's talk about the numbers. The most important thing with this interview today. So, TAAT reported fiscal Q2 2021 financial results, over 300% sequential revenue growth. Tell us more about this and why it's so significant.
Well, again, I think from a percentage standpoint, it shows tremendous growth and definitely us moving in the right direction. We've started to add a lot more stores into our retail network, and we're continuing to add that on a daily basis. So I think it really helps to demonstrate to the markets that the business model is set up to succeed, and that we've got a lot of growth ahead of us. So I fully anticipate as the quarters start rolling in, we'll continue to be able to show growth upon growth. And again, I think it's a product that the market will receive favorably. I think that smokers who've tried TAAT like it. And I think that, we're at the stage now where we're able to start sort of building that brand and letting more and more people know that this is a real viable option to smoking traditional cigarettes.
Definitely. So when it comes to your product rollout, the company rapidly expanded its rollout in Ohio with approximately 191 stores selling TAAT at the end of Q2 2021, compared to like 102 at the end of Q1 2021. It's a pretty significant pace of expansion. So what's next?
Yeah, we're already in over 300. So I think that store growth is going to continue to accelerate now. I think it also helps give a lot of other stores the comfort in knowing that, if they start carrying the product, that it's going to sell through. And again, that becomes an exercise in continuing to build a big brand. That's really what it is, right? We want to make sure that, just like Juul, whether you smoke or not, you know what it is. Mm-hmm. And I think that TAAT can follow a very similar suit where, whether you smoke or not, you're going to know what TAAT is, what it can do for smokers. And I think that given the choice, smokers will end up choosing TAAT.
Yeah, agreed. So, what's the one thing you're most excited about for TAAT going forward, let's say in the near term?
Like for the near term, I think obviously continued commercialization throughout the U.S. as we start to add more and more states and more stores and put the product in front of more and more consumers. I'm really excited to start executing on that strategy. And then again, I think the European expansion is something that we're going to be focusing on over the next couple of quarters, especially because it came to us so quickly. I think we want to be able to capitalize on that momentum, and it's just an extraordinarily exciting time for me and the team at TAAT.
Definitely. So, I love covering it. So where's the best place for investors to find out more information about the company?
Well, best place to go is TAAT Global. So you can hit taatglobal.com or you can follow us on social at TAAT Global, and you'll be able to kind of keep up to date on all the developments that we have with the company.
Awesome, Setti. Well, thank you so much for the update. And, I look forward to continuing to update my audience from yourself on TAAT's progress.
Awesome. Thanks, Aaron.
All right, guys, that wraps up the video. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to say, if you do support me, the channel, and all these videos, then kindly smash that like button along with hitting the subscribe button and the bell for notifications for future videos. I did also want to say, check the disclaimer down below. This video was sponsored by the company that we are talking about today. So check the disclaimer, full disclosure, and we're out of here. Always remember, guys, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you make your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.